Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing review video of the Hover-1 Blast. So this is a hoverboard that I got at Walmart on Black Friday for around $100. Not really that bad of a deal. The maximum weight supported is 160 pounds with 6.5 inch tires, maximum speed of 7 miles per hour, and 3 miles max distance per charge. It has LED light up wheels, front sensor headlights, rated for ages 8 and up. So in the box, it's got the charger, and then the hoverboard. So on the back here, it's got the charging port, and then it's got the on button there. To go forward on it, you just push forward on both. You just kind of lean forward, I guess, and then to go backwards, you just kind of lean backwards. Right over here is where the wheels will light up. It has a indicator light right there for battery level. It's auto balancing, so go ahead and turn it on. You can see it's just kind of sitting there auto balancing. So I'll just show you real quick. Now I am a little bit over 160 pounds, but this can support my full weight. And I bought one of these for my kids. They seem to like it. You could actually go pretty fast on this. I am not the best at this. My kids, they could just zoom around in it, but as you can see, I'm just kind of auto balancing there. There's the light up wheels. I'm not gonna stay on this too long because I might crash. I'm not that good at it. To turn it off, same thing. Just kind of push and hold, I think. There you go. So anyway, there you have it. There is the Hover-1 Blast. Not a very bad deal for $100. It's a pretty good hoverboard. My kids love it. Yeah, there you go. I'll see you next time.